Hey folks, how you doing? Just real quick, I've done a couple videos on how to replace the steering column in the Troybilt 2008 ride-on lawnmower. Here's my advice to you. First of all, that's 2 years right there, first one. 4 years, again. And 6 years, plus the one that's on there right now, which will be replaced in another 2 years. This is the hex nut that goes on the end, and it's on my video. It's kind of funny that Troybilt has this as their symbol on the tractor. What does that look like to you? Not to mention this thing as well. The very symbol they're showing is what needs to be replaced every 2 years, it looks like to me. You know what? It's not a hard job to do. It's going to cost you 40-50 bucks every 2 years. My advice to you would just be to get a John Deere. That's what I'm going to do.